Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about how to charge your Chromebooks and a little bit more. So we have three styles of Chromebook carts basically. The first style is our newest style of Chromebook carts. These new ones are all metal and they have two power cords, one on the left hand side of the front door and one on the right hand side. And so you'll see those in the picture. Please notice you do need to make sure that both of these power cords are plugged in at the same time. They don't have to be in the same plug, but they do both need to be plugged in. To open them, you're just simply going to push on the button at the bottom of the handle. The handle will pop out and then you turn the handle to the right. Our most common style of Chromebook cart looks a little bit like the one you see on the screen in front of you. There are a couple of models that are slightly different, but basically the same as these. They usually have one cord, and you'll notice the red power light by the cord. So make sure when it's plugged in that that switch is toggled and that red power light turns on. They usually have some exterior plugs on the outside, and they also have the charging indicators next to those plugs. You'll see bank 1, bank 2, and bank 3, or bank A, bank B, bank C. It tells you which bank is charging at which time. And then you'll see our oldest style of cart. These are there's only about 5 or 6 of these, and they're about 6 years old at this point. They're still working just fine. They have one power cord, and you'll notice they have a green button on the side next to the outlets. Make sure that green button is turned on and the light is lit up. They have a similar handle to our newest style in that you have to push the button, pop it up, and turn it to the right, but they're double doored. Okay. And then on the inside of our oldest cart, on the left hand side, you're going to need to push that button. They do not charge automatically. All the other carts charge just by plugging them in. They will automatically charge your Chromebooks. You do not have to unplug any of the carts. They will stop charging automatically when Chromebooks are fully charged. Okay. But the oldest style, you do have to push that button. So make sure when you put the Chromebooks back in that you push that button. You'll notice it says when it's solid, it's not charging. You push that button and then it'll be flashing. When it's charging, if you want to stop it from charging, you can push it again and then it'll be solid. Okay. So these are the three styles of Chromebooks that we currently have. We have our oldest Asus Chromebooks, the Acer Chromebooks, which is the one on the left. You cannot see their charging light when they're stacked in the cart. It's because it's on the bottom front face of it, but you can see there the orange amber light. Then in the middle you'll see our black Lenovo's. Those have a amber light when they're charging and green when they're completely charged. And then our newest Lenovo's, which use a different charger. All three of these models actually use different chargers, so they're not interchangeable. Okay, and you'll notice you see the green light. It's also amber when it's charging. Okay, so make sure that your students plug the plugs back in order for them to be charging. All right, this has been how to charge your Chromebooks. I'm Robert Cormach. I'm your TIS here at North Shore Senior High. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to call either myself or Ms. Sharnowski in order for us to answer them.